This is a GAN 251M, or the most expensive 2x2 on the market. The turning on this cube is insane. It's kind of buttery smooth, but at the same time, it's sandy. And because this has magnets, it stops where it should. And let me say, it doesn't have 24, it has 48 magnets. Why does a 2x2 need 48 magnets? The corner cutting on this cube is like every other GAN cube. It's not too good, but it's not too bad. It goes to about 45 degrees. The reverse corner cutting is almost the same. What you get inside of the GAN 251M box is this nice carrying case, a blue GAN bag, of course the cube itself, and 4 GES nuts. The purple GES nut being the weakest of the 4, then the blue being a little bit stronger but still weak, then the green GES nut, which you get pre-installed on the cube, and finally the strongest GES nut, the yellow nut. My personal favorite GES nut is the green one because it isn't too fast and it isn't too slow. So that's why I like the green GES nut. Now, who should get the GAN 251M? Well, if you want the best 2x2 on the market, I would say go for this because I think it's probably the best. But if you have a lower budget like $15, you should probably just get something like the Walk 2M. But that's just my opinion. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you learned something from this video. But until next time, I'm Madshri.